Okay, guys. Good morning. Good morning,
Good,
everyone.
good morning, Vicky. Good morning,
O-
everyone.
Okay, good morning, Zira. Okay, today we will discuss about the last metaverse. So tell me about the use of the metaverse or technology from the metaverse that you have tried or created. I immediately start from Nurfazila, and Panji, and Miss Christina, and the last Mr. Raka. Okay, okay, Nurfazila, tell me what you know about the metaverse or have made a room in the metaverse.
Okay, thank you, Vicky. Okay, guys, welcome again with me, Zila. Mozilla Hubs. What is the Mozilla Hubs? Mozilla Hub is collaboration tool us to create virtual space to be inhabit and frequent using mixed reality. It first person natural that is apart from other browser beside collaboration tools. The Mozilla Informant is powered to track and interconnection info which can integrate many different platforms into its interface. Have over innovation solution for replacing non-physical interaction and can be used to allow interaction between patterns. Mozilla Hubs as everything is viewed at woman scale. Hubs over to the Pontical to be asked about design, review, and presentation tool with ABP. Navigation in Spark, if you plan a creating and the interactive sphere for use with hubs, there a good chance you will need to become familiar with Spock. Spock is the platform online based 3D skin and information editor. With Spock, you can comp assets like image, video, and more to create information that can be used in hubs rooms or export as 3D for the uh, GLB 3D model file. Spoke in design to have a low skill bar for us. So if you if you have a miss an architecture 3 modeling program, you will be comfortable as Spock. We recommended you start with the following guides to the start with Spock. You can also find so good tutorial video for Spock online. Spock interface, Spock controls, and then addition non-design beside content. The key element in Spock to understand Spock is the online 3D modeling editor that facilitates the creation of the scenes for Mozilla Hubs. That allow us to create information consisting of external generation design-based content like buildings and non-design based content such as lighting, video, and image. Creating managing non-design based content is straightforward. A brief of you can be found at the following location. Then, a note-based content. Uh, then design-based content of the typical types generation in ABP is possible through a number of different workflows. As Tyler, the content type. This a general group into two categories 3D context directly import into Spock itself and 3D content like to Spock, Trout, and SketchUp. Mozilla Hubs, the future is ada invite, mute, share, pledge, rage, get, leave, more, object, and people. As see the above image, Mozilla Hubs on such a range of a feature to help you navigation your environment and to interface with other. The Mozilla Hubs website expand each feature in more detail. Kit and joins Room in order to start a navigation around a Mozilla environment. You will need a create or start at Room. Okay, guys. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, thank you, Zila. Zila, your mention about 3D model in the Hubs Mozilla. Okay, Zila, you can show me that 3D model in this room, please.
What
Okay,
did
Zila.
yeah, Diki?
Yeah, your mention about 3D model can be add in the room metaverse and Hubs Mozilla. Okay,
Um,
you can show me the 3D model in this room.
we can share screen or
No, no, only 3D model. Okay.
3D model. I make homes with Spock.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. And then 3D model. Nah, like this. You can edit. This is
Uh,
3D model. What is it? Andi, what is it?
It is a Miss Cookie.
Okay, which is Bakary. Yeah, maybe Bakary. Okay, okay, okay. This is a 3D model.
okay.
Okay, not Bakary. And then I can share about the 3D model again. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Wait a minute. I can share. I will share about 3D model, and this is 3D model fish. Okay, fish. Oh, this is a fish. Ah, fish. Ooh. Okay. Our object is 3D model, like this. Okay, guys. Who want to ask Zilla about apps Mozilla and spoke as a creator room metaverse? Okay, nothing. Okay, nothing. Panji, Panji, nothing question. Okay. Next, I will continue to the next member, Panji. Panji, tell me what you know about the metaverse or have made a room in the metaverse. Panji.
Okay, Ricky. Uh, I will tell you about. Uh, eh, uh, Before, can you hear my voice?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, okay. I will tell you about metaverse in the world of education. Uh, on October 28, 2021, Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg announced that his company was changing its name to Meta. This name change is not just a rebranding, but because Mark Zuckerberg wants his company focus more on developing future technology known as the metaverse. In a presentation uploaded on the official Meta YouTube channel, Mark Zuckerberg said that the metaverse will bring humans to a new sensation where we can experience living in a virtual world. In this virtual world, we can work, shop, play, and do many things that we have never imagined before. The world of education cannot resist technological advance. Instead, we must take advantage of this technological advance as a tool to carry out positive activities. With the development of the metaverse by giant technologies company, the world of education inevitably has to prepare itself to welcome this technology. Metaverse, if it is successfully developed, will become deja vu when the internet also begin to enter the world of education. Metaverse will one day make history teacher not need to take their student to museum in the real world. Students just need to be invited to enter the metaverse, where a three-dimensional virtual museum is already available. As another example, in geography lessons, teacher can invite students to see volcanic eruption or even conduct virtual interview with volcanologists. Metaverse will make lessons that previously could only be seen in two dimensions into a more real experience. Learners are taken out of the abstract dimension into a virtual reality. Metaverse will probably make all activities in the world of education can later be carried out in a virtual world. School will be built in a virtual world, class will be built in a virtual world, learning is done virtually, and even school administration can also be done virtually. Metaverse allow us to do anything without having to meet in person. If this happens, it will certainly be a disruption to the world of education today. A very interesting dream, but also very scary. If all activities in the world of education are carried out virtually, the negative impact that can be felt directly is of course in terms of health. A woman named Joanna Strand, who did an experiment using virtual reality and entered the metaverse for 24 hours, admitted that she experienced symptoms of headache and sore eyes. According to Jack Wilmot, who once experienced living in a virtual world for 1 week, said that the metaverse makes us lose the natural energy, which is actually a part of our life. So you can imagine if we use this tool for days. In addition to the impact in terms of health, metaverse will eliminate the social harm that should be felt when humans interact with other humans directly. After all, the virtual world is not the real world. The real world is actually where we live right now on Earth, not in the metaverse. It could be that a teacher later will never know directly the student he has taught for months. It could be that learning is just a formality without making human into a real human. I think that's enough from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Panji. Who want to ask Panji, guys, about the story of metaverse, and then meta, and first. Yeah. Okay. Who want to
Okay,
ask?
I ask a question for Panji.
Okay, please tell your questions, Zila.
I have a problem with a great city forest, hutan kota metaverse, Rome. I want to add a more tree, but the problem is that I can upload because it has a capacity capacitas of only 128 MB. Maksudnya itu, saya memiliki kendala ketika saya membuat room metaverse hutan kota. Saya ingin memasukkan pohon lebih banyak lagi. Namun kendala pada saat upload tidak bisa karena memiliki kapasitas hanya 120 MB.
Okay. I think that's cannot be upload because your building is much of
Advice.
asset. Yeah. I think you can decrease the asset to the building. It can be upload to metaverse. Jadi itu karena kamu kebanyakan naruh aset ya, jadi ya bisa dikurangin gitu asetnya.
Okay. Maybe
Namun pada
your tree is uh very much. Ya, namely, ya namanya hutan, Panji.
Ya, maksudnya walaupun kami membuat hutan kotanya itu maksudnya buat the tree pohon di application Blender, tetap aja nggak bisa upload into room Mozilla.
Maybe the solution is you can bagi itu hutannya jadi beberapa link room gitu. Jadi ya gitu.
Oke. Thank you Panji.
Jadi kayak pending gitu nanti.
Oke. Mr. Aka?
No, Diki. So far so good.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Next the member. Continue the next member. Okay, Mr. Aka. Tell me what you know about the metaverse or have made a room in the metaverse, please.
Yes. Thank you, Diki, and good morning, everyone. So I'm so sorry about create room ya in a Mozilla Hub. Before I know metaverse, gitu ya, I follow the training ya about metaverse.
Oh, okay. I see Mr. Aka in any problem and yeah, network is not stable. Okay. Okay, Mr. Aka still loading in the lobby of metaverse. Okay. Sila, what you interesting to join in the room this? What interesting?
Jawab dulu HP. What Diki?
Are you interesting about in the room metaverse that I am building? Okay, this is my room. Okay.
With room the metaverse disease.
Yeah, room metaverse.
I like this the table and the chairs.
Oh, okay. How about you, Anji? You are interesting?
Yeah, I join in this room because I must join this room and I think
Okay.
this room is great with the chair and table we can discuss
Yes, and then
here.
and then 3D model, and then bakery. Okay, bakery.
Diki.
Yeah.
What is room metaverse this? Ini ruangan apa?
This is meeting rooms. Yeah. This meeting room.
Yeah. Or not?
No. This is room metaverse that I building, especially my room.
Oh.
Okay.
Hello, Diki.
Okay, Mr. Aka.
Yeah, I'm so sorry about this connection ya. This connection is unstable gitu. Same like my device gitu ya, it's not compatible gitu to create a room in a metaverse. So I cannot make a create room, but I saya punya avatar, but I forget gitu ya. What avatar is like gitu. So maybe in this if in this morning gitu I can speak about the future of metaverse ya gitu. Because the metaverse is the important technology gitu ya in the future. Metaverse just like Zoom ya, just like Zoom but lebih bagus gitu ya. And metaverse I think is very beneficial for humans to learn from one another. The main thing is that one person ability or virtue can be easily transmitted to others. Learning about goodness can be felt by many people. Likewise with the work of education gitu ya. Seperti yang kita lakukan gitu di training studio metaverse batch 1 until batch 11 gitu. Character building materials can be abroad not only for the people they meet but can have any impact on many people. But just like said with all of you yesterday gitu ya, metaverse is will give rise the new problem that may be more complex. Just like the tendency of to make people more lazy to move and socialize in the real world is seen from the lifestyle of today's society, especially if they are treated to technology that is much more exciting. And the metaverse juga ya gitu can make it difficult for user to accept the situation in the real world gitu. Just like the pleasure of surfing the metaverse using an avatar which may be an unrealized self-image can make it difficult gitu ya for user to accept this situation in the real world. Then also kemungkinan akan ada cybercrime juga gitu ya. So I think metaverse is a good technology for the future, but metaverse juga menyimpan banyak masalah gitu, yang mana perlu diperhatikan gitu ya oleh kita gitu. So is a metaverse have a good news or bad news gitu, and bad news gitu ya. Gitu. So but metaverse is apa namanya? Interesting to study about metaverse and bagi kalian gitu ya yang sudah membuat room apapun bentuk dan jenis roomnya gitu ya it's good things gitu ya. Similar or not with a real world gitu ya but it's apa ya namanya it's very good gitu for good things for you guys gitu to create room to memaksimalkan Zoom ini gitu walaupun memang internet ya again is very unstable gitu in Indonesia. So I hope in the future the metaverse gitu ya bring we to lebih bagus lagi gitu ya dan fasilitasnya juga bisa diperhatikan lagi. I think itu Diki.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Raka. Okay. Your mention is metaverse difficult. Yeah. All right. Metaverse is difficult. It's true that our members have many problems. Yeah, have many problems while following this space, like not join and then not difficult in the join room metaverse. Okay. Oh, Mr. Aka, any problem again? Okay. Oh, yes, Sheila.
Yes.
Any question about you? You agree or disagree that metaverse is difficult?
What Diki apa?
Oh, okay. Oh, I repeat again. Okay. You agree or disagree about metaverse is difficult? Kamu setuju atau tidak setuju kalau metaverse itu sulit?
Yes.
Yeah. Where difficult? Where is difficult?
Because
Because yeah.
the problem is can I upload asset it is
Yeah.
kapasitas in the spot only 128 MB the kapasitas,
Okay.
but I don't
Okay.
like
Okay.
Yeah, metaverse is difficult to enter this room gitu. to
Yeah.
enter this room too is very very difficult ya, because we depends to internet connection ya gitu. If internet connection in your home or in your office is good ya lancar, but apalagi kalau hujan gitu ya, yeah, it's very very difficult to enter this room gitu. So Diki, a question for me gitu ya, kemarin prefer Zoom or Metaverse, but right now ya I choose Zoom gitu dan Metaverse. But in the future maybe I can choose Zoom ya gitu.
Okay.
But right now,
I agree with you.
yeah.
Okay. I agree with you, Mr. Aka. That difficult in the room. Yeah. Join. Time is join this room.
Yeah, but it's very interesting ya, meeting like this gitu. I
Okay.
can see Diki, Zila, and Panji in the same room gitu ya, walaupun kita jarak yang jauh gitu.
Okay. Okay. My avatar like the original. Okay. Mr. Aka.
Yeah, just like you, Diki.
Okay. Okay, guys. Any question again about metaverse before I will close the session?
Maybe I have a question for Zila and Panji ya. What projects you work gitu ya? Maksudnya apa yang sedang kamu kerjakan berkaitan dengan metaverse ini gitu? Can you explain in the English gitu? What projects do you make it gitu about metaverse in your area? Just like misalkan Zila in North Kalimantan, Panji in Siam Architect and Science.
Okay, I want to answer
Maybe
first.
first Panji.
Yeah. I want to answer. Yeah. Now my project in Metaverse is I built the replica of Masjid Salman ITB.
Oh yeah, you said it yesterday ya?
Yeah. Wait.
For me, my project is Metaverse. Me and the team Kaltara will build a whole main location in North Kalimantan, yaitu membuat tambang batu bara yang terletak di Kalimantan Utara.
It's very difficult, or easy?
Easy.
Belum dalam juga.
How tight can you make it, Zila and Panji?
Yeah.
Ya, Mr. Raka?
How times do you can make it gitu, make it this project? Berapa lama waktunya?
I think I can build it between 1 week until 2 weeks.
How about you, Zila? How long do you can make it this project gitu with your team ya?
For me, from Mr. Gatot, when it to be finishing before 25 September. Gatot mulai selesai tambang Klubir itu pada tanggal 25 September sebelum kami berangkat ke Surabaya.
Oke.
Okay, guys.
Semoga sukses ya.
Any question again?
Yes, Mr.
Oke.
Cuma bertiga ya, Diki ya? Berarti.
Iya, Pak. Tadi ada itu peserta baru, Pak. Mungkin agak lemot di jaringan.
Ya. Internet connection ya. Again and again.
Iya. Connection.
Okay, I think that's enough, Diki, about we're talking about metaverse.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Aka. Okay, I close, yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Maybe some of us are familiar with the metaverse because we have known the metaverse world for a long time and started developing the metaverse. Okay. So I think that's enough about the metaverse in 3 days. Yeah, 3 days. This session is last day. Hopefully, after hearing your explanation, we will know more about what the metaverse in and others. Sorry, as long as I am the MC and moderator, there are words or sentences that are not good. I apologize a lot. Okay. Thank you again for the participant who have participated in the storytelling activity for the past 10 days. Well, okay, thank you Panji, thank you Jira, and then thank you Mr. Aka. Good morning everyone, and thank you.
Thank you, Diki.